Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this particular poncho. As you can see in this poncho there are 3 different types of yarn. This is trio that combines 3 different materials: lurex, fine eyelash yarn and soft mohair. This project is very quick and very easy to do, so it's perfect for beginners. So let's get started. For this project I use 1 skein of trio from Mondial for a small size. You will need 2 skeins for larger size and 6.5mm hook. Then I use also 2 different colors of furry yarn coccola and 10mm hook. Okay, now we are going to create 1 large rectangle, so now we are going to chain 55. Now that we have chained the 55, we do 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain from hook, and we continue to do 1 double crochet in each chain down the row. Okay, now chain 3, this counts as the first double crochet, then turn the garment over, and now we do 1 double crochet in each stitch down the row. And continue to do this until the end of this row. Okay, now we are going to repeat row 2, so chain 3, remember this count as the first double crochet, then turn the garment over, and now we do 1 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, what we have to do now is to continue to do this until we reach the length about 120 centimeters. But pay attention, if you prefer to have clean strips with different type of yarns, I suggest watching the video tutorial trio scarf. I leave the link in the description box below. You will have to cut the yarn at the end of the row. So as you can see, I'm back a little bit until the last double crochet, and now don't complete the last double crochet and insert the new type of yarn. Then we continue to do 1 double crochet in each stitch as we did before. In this case I will not do this because the rectangle will be folded and you will not see the insert of each different yarn. So now continue to repeat row 2 until we reach the length about 120 centimeters. Okay, now my rectangle is 120 centimeters long and 40 centimeters wide. And before proceeding, I want to show you how beautiful and very original this yarn is. Okay, now we are ready to cut the yarn, and remember to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew the rectangle. Okay, now we fold the rectangle by placing the short side on the long side like this. And now we attach some clips along this line. And then we grab the tapestry needle, then sew this using the tails of the rectangle. Okay, now we are going to do a nice finish around the neck. So now we grab the two different colors of this furry yarn coccola and the 10mm hook. And now we are going to do one round of double crochet with the 5 decreases all around, 2 decreases in each shoulder part and one in front in the V-neck. So first we insert the hook back here. Now chain 2, and now we do the first decrease. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. And pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through remaining 3 loops. And this is the first decrease, the 2 double crochet work together. And now we continue to do 1 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, now we do the second decrease as we did before. Then we continue to do 1 double crochet until we reach the V-neck. Okay, now we are in the V-neck, so now we do one decrease in these two stitches. And of course we continue to do one double crochet in the next stitches. Okay, now we're going to do the fourth decrease. Then we go ahead for a few stitches, then we do the last decreases. And now we do one slip stitch in the second chain to complete this round. And now we are going to cut the yarn and leave the tail inside the garment. Now grab your tapestry needle or use a crochet hook. The Dafne poncho is now complete and ready to wear. This poncho is warm, soft and very quick to do, so perfect for a Christmas gift, for example. Remember, you can find 8 different colors of this yarn, and as you can see they are all beautiful and very elegant and particular. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Dafne poncho. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!